Hi, I'm Lester Govies, Senior Project Manager and Estimator here at Motion Engineering Services. We have a range of services we can offer to our customers. Through our capabilities here, we can manufacture any items to customer specification and industry standards. Our workshop offers a lot of solutions, but it's not limited because we have outside third-party capabilities as well, which can offer. But first of all, we have very good milling capacity. And then we have the biggest wire cut machine in Perth, which can cut up to 500 millimeters in thickness. And then we have steel cutting and knife cutting capacity as well. A benefit of this is they don't need to go to multiple suppliers. So they can come to Motion and then they can get a whole lot of turnkey solutions for their project. So I imagine they want a bearing, but then we can supply them the bearing housings, we can supply them the shafts, we can supply them the seals. So we are like a one-stop solution for our customer. And that's a big thing for Motion.